this fresh air. And there's nothing that beats it. No amount of candles or Febreze. But cigarettes do. You want to smoke? No, I usually don't smoke. Just on special occasions, like socializing. Well, that's okay. You don't have to be peer pressured into smoking. I will just take one myself. You know what? You do have a good point. I might be addicted to cigarettes after all. It just relaxes me. Well, I'm supposed to be meeting up with friends here. You see, we got lost at the club, and we're just trying to gather up afterwards and maybe get a snack. Yeah, there's a club around the corner. I believe it's called Omnia or something. I'm not really sure. Anyways, what are you doing here alone? You came with friends? Oh, looks like we're both lost. Maybe we can look for our friends together. Maybe we can introduce them to one another. Make a little match. Wouldn't that be cool? Sure. My squad consists of a bunch of people in bucket hats, and they're always dancing, and they look like they're headless chickens. Let's see. Let's take a look around. Where exactly did I put my cigarette now? Let's see. In my pockets, I have a lighter, some cigarettes, gum. You weren't supposed to see that. And keys, and a smartphone, and oh, you weren't supposed to see that either. Well, yeah, you never know when I need these magnum-sized pieces of plastic. Yeah. Where's my wallet? They're supposed to be in there, but I don't know why they slipped out. No, trust me. I really have no idea. You would think someone maybe grabbed it out of my pocket. I mean, there definitely is a lot of grabbing going on in there. Yes, here we go. Okay, so it turns out one of my buddies has my wallet. And that's good and bad because I know I spend a lot of money on drinks. So it's good that I don't have it to spend. On the other hand, you won't believe this, he might do the spending. Maybe he wasn't the best friend to give. Anyways. Well, what I'm trying to say is, either way, I may have purposely given my wallet to my friend, and that's why I need it back. That way he could safekeep my money and not let me use it on my very addictive habits, just like drinking and treating pretty girls like you out to a drink. I'm just trying to say, I'm a very classy, noble, handsome, good-looking guy. Okay, let me just think out loud for a second. Alright, what if we went back into the club? Okay? And we find my friends and get my wallet and go get you a nice little drink. Anything you want. I won't judge. And then afterwards, maybe after some dancing or for some little snacks at the bar, we can go to the back of the club and get to know each other more. I have a booth. We can draw the curtains just in case it gets too intimate. Okay? What do you think? Really? Oh, great. Okay. Yeah. Follow me. We're going to go through the side entrance. It's for VIPs only. And any drink you want, just go ahead and order it. I'm sure they carry it in here. Did you get your drink order in? Good. Their customer service here is top-notch A+. Here, follow me to my booth. Yep, we pass all the people below, and we get to watch them from the top floor. It makes me feel all fancy. That's why I love coming to this club. And here we are. A fancy booth with curtains to draw just in case it gets too loud. Yes, it's very fancy. And if you need more drinks, just let the security know. They will grab it for you. Alright, now that we're settled in, are you comfortable? You know, I saw you eyeing me earlier, and I saw this kind of fire and this kind of lust that was burning in your eyes. And you were staring directly at me. And I tried moving around, but you kept following me. So now that we're here, why don't we get straight to it? No more beating around the bush. I don't even need to know your name. Just sit down, relax, and let me do the rest of the talking. Baby, don't worry about that. You're perfect. So perfect, just the way you are. And the way you smile. And the way you make me feel. Just makes me want to catch a grenade for you. If I had to. Obviously, I'm not going to do it, just for fun. I do love you that much. I love the smell of your hair. It's so nice and soft and silky and everything I wished it to be. I never thought that the real deal was even better than what I had thought previously. You're just so goddamn hot. Can't resist it. I know I'm good at this. You know, I have been told that I have a tongue that puts everyone else's to shame. Ooh, yes. Why would I lie? Do you want to see for yourself? That was good, wasn't it? You want more? Well, I'm going to make you beg for it. Well, if you don't continue doing as what I say, then there may be a spanking in the near future. I might have to just give you a good lesson. Because if you don't listen, then what's the point of this all? And it's gonna be harder next time too, so you better fucking listen. Baby, please, can you be more vocal about your current dissatisfaction? It really makes me excited to hear you. Yes, every time I do this, and every time I go in deeper. communicate with me exactly how good it feels. Baby, lock them doors and turn them lights down low. The video is over now. If you can go ahead and like and subscribe, I would love you forever.